Yun, good day. School year 2025-2026. First CO saka second CO. Sumali sa unang CO natin, 6 na indicator lang. Pangalawang CO, 6 na indicator lang. So ano-ano ba yung ating mga indicator sa ating first CO? 1.1.2, apply knowledge of content within in across curriculum teaching areas. Ang kasunod, 1.4.2, use a range of teaching strategies that enhance learner achievement, literacy, and numeracy skills. Ano naman yung 1.5.2? Apply a range of teaching strategies to develop critical and creative thinking as well as other higher order thinking skills. Pang-apat na indicator natin, 2.3.2, manage classroom structure to engage learners individually or in groups in meaningful explorations, discovery, and hands-on activities within a range of physical learning environments. Ang last na ang second to the last, 3.1.2, use differentiated, developmentally appropriate learning experiences to address learners' gender, needs, strength, interest, and experiences. Ang pang-anim, 4.1.2, plan, manage, and implement developmentally sequence teaching and learning processes to meet curriculum requirements through various teaching contexts. So, yung pong 6 na indicators na yun ang bumubuo ng ating first classroom CO. Dito naman po tayo sa ating second classroom CO. Uulitin lang po yung indicator 1.1.2, 1.4.2, 1.5.2, saka yung iba na po yung 2.6.2, 4.5.2, saka 5.1.2. Yan po ang kabuuan ng indicators ng ating school year 2025-2026.